emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Geauga County, Central Lake County, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 8 miles northwest of Chardon and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chardon, Burton, Middlefield. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, and Lake.
The forecast for Cleveland